Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel Finastro Cycles. My name is Nitin Bhandari and this is the latest update on Nifty after my previous update. So we spoke on the previous update that there is a strong support on the weekly GAN trend change line. This is a weekly GAN trend change line and market took a support here and bounced back. This was a second sub cycle low of this big cycle which started from this low of 14,155 from 22nd April, and this is the last phase. So in the last phase of any cycle the wide range swing happens, so the sharpest decline happens in the last phase of any cycle once the crest is in. So most likely this high of July 16 is a primary cycle high. So this is the high of this cycle. And this cycle was a bullish cycle. If you see, it has taken a lot of time to make a top. So it is a bullish cycle, but end of any cycle is always bearish. So now we are in the last phase and we are expecting a sell-off for how many days? So if we consider from this point, so Nifty, Indian Nifty has a 20-week plus minus 5-week cycle. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we are very late in this cycle. So this cycle, this means that any time from this week onwards up to next 6 weeks we can have a low, and that low will be a significant low from where there will be a new cycle which will start. Now how much the what will be the gravity of the fall and how much it can fall? So we take a help of a simple Fibonacci tool and see that what how much it can fall. So usually any cycle, uh, it 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 usually falls between 50 to between 38.2 to 50%. That is the normal retracement, which takes this cycles to 15,290 to 15,062. As I have been mentioning in my previous videos, we are seeing that Nifty has been struggling between Uranus price line and Mars price line for almost now 7-8 weeks. Started from the June first week and we are in the end of the July. So it means almost 7 weeks the market is hovering around these two price lines and it is not going away. It goes away, it again bounces and comes back, and it is finding a steep resistance at the Mars line. It is not able to cross that with any significant force. So still these lines remain very active and very powerful for upcoming moves in the Nifty. So what is the first confirmation that this top is in? So this is a future projected candle. If you see that I have written here, this candle is a future projected candle, and it is making an aspect of last solar eclipse by the sun. And this is a GAN semi-square. GAN has given a lot of importance to the semi-squares. So this is coming tomorrow, and that is an important reversal point. Now this is a weekly GAN trend change point, and this is a monthly GAN trend change point. So how we play with this? Once this is broken, the weekly trend is negative. Once this is broken, the monthly trend is negative. So as we are expecting a low in upcoming 3-4 weeks, anytime in next 3-4 weeks, once that low is in, once that low is in and market starts rallying again and crosses these monthly and weekly lines, that would be the time for the next bull run or next bullish cycle. So this is all for Nifty right now. Just keep in mind there's very important aspect which is going on, which is happening on uh, on the day this 29th, which is on the expiry day, and these are two very powerful aspects. So just keep in mind, if there is a sharp sell off happens, this could be very exaggerated move because Jupiter is involved, which means a lot of exaggeration. uh, there will be things which will be made or look like that they are seriously bad. And the next day on the 30th, the Mars changes sign. So this is also important point when any planet is changing the sign. So this is all for Nifty right now. Let's quickly have a look on the Bank Nifty. What's happening on the Bank Nifty? So again, the Bank Nifty also had a same pattern as Nifty, and it was not able to cross Uranus price line. And here the Jupiter price line was involved, not the Mars one, as Nifty was having a more affection with the Mars. But Uranus is active here also. Why Uranus is active this year? Because Uranus and Saturn are in an aspect throughout the 2021, the whole year. So this line is very important, and you can see that it has not let Bank Nifty cross these levels. Now, what could happen potentially for the Bank Nifty? These last 1 week stuff looks a consolidation candles, and it is looking like a consolidation. The stochastics are in the bearish zone right now, though they are trying to move up and curl up, but no respite so far. So there is another reversal date is there, which is on 29 July, exactly on the day when I just mentioned about Mars opposite Jupiter, which is in effect on the day of expiry. So, with all these, looks like this is a mother moving average and it is flattened for almost 3 months. So, if Nifty falls, definitely Bank Nifty also will fall, or maybe the Bank Nifty only will take the Nifty down because there is a 33% of the weightage of Bank Nifty into the Nifty. So this is the line which is important, and these are the lines which I will look for any position or any big position. These could be a strong support points. This line here at 34,195 and 34,000, where Venus and Mars both are coming together. So this could be the line which is a strong support zone. Once this is given up, there will be a sharp sell off to Bank Nifty also. With respect to the Fibonacci, how much it can retrace back, this could fall between 33,922 to 33,250. So that's the zone where it should end this cycle, if the next cycle has to be bullish one. So this is all about Bank Nifty. There's not much happening here. As you see that last it has been in the range with the Nifty. The same thing is happening with the Bank Nifty. It is in very tight range for almost 2 months. So this is all for right now. This expiry is going to be a super exaggerated and super intense expiry. So either on the day of expiry, the moves can happen, or maybe the next day of the expiry when Mars change the sign, there could be big moves which are expected. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy.